Yeah. So watch me now, nation people, because I see things are get out of hand. But here we go on. Make we bless up the channel first. Because right now, to the way how we see things are go on, it look like Sting festive. Because right now, it look like Skeng and Jahshii. So here we go on. The Ratty Gang, and the First Nation, that smell like big trouble then. Alright, hear me now, nation people. I no fling stone, I no lassa swing, I no kung fu, I'm a glocka sing, shatter strike like lightning. Me use the jungle scare and snipe him. Gaza nation, shoot him up. Them a chat tough gunshot, root him up. And them brain a fall like when bumbuckler rain a fall. Shoot them up. Them a chat tough gunshot, root them up. And them burn a fall like when bumbuckler rain a fall. Guns them load. Squeeze off 7 and facing at the niggle at the road. Burn jack out on the ground and start jump like toad. Blood wet up him girlfriend clothes. Murder scenes look like a show. Him mother by return. What? Hear me no nation paper. The general, you know. The 10th star one, you know. In a full effect, you know. If you do not believe me, I go flip the script and make you see, you know. Yes. It sure is the 10th star general in full effect. What not talk about? Wars in the air? Oh, fuck, man. Anyway, big up the unruly boss because I see Popcorn, Jahshii, Law Boss, and a whole heap of other artists, Munga and Arab, big up on yourself. I see the man them done the show. Wicked. Big up Pelpa time for that. I will like the unification move there. Nation people, can I flip the script again? Because I know 10 star, you know, stylistic, you know, no gimmicks, this is not the in my game. Yes. I sure flip the script, nation people. Here we are going right about now. So, we see Jahshii, Zane, go up on a stage show. And Jahshii I say right now, you don't know First Nation no par with cocaine. Them say, nah, this no man. Where him and them par together, but First Nation no roll with cocaine. Yo, nation people, I don't know if I hold him at true, but them know them thing. Them know what I go on, because remember me not dead. You see what I say? But here what I go on. We see the Ratty Gang them come out now. You see what I say? And the producer brother, him sing intense song where you know say a Jahshii intends to violate another song there where I say they won't go bad for shoot themselves. And I think say it done there so. By the time the brother video for done, the man send up Jahshii way up underneath him mother. I say how the blood clot this? No. This thing I get out of hand. You know what I mean? This thing I get out of hand. This coming like the thing where I blast from the double mode pump action. You know what I mean? It look like load explosion and go on. Nation people, the both of them book festing, you know. What I think? Is it Jahshii and Skeng are gonna be the headliner Sting? So, me I watch the lyrical butcher, a thing called AKA Master Fox. And the butcher say, right about now, if Jahshii drop a song off a Skeng and Skeng no answer, is it that the jockstrap sniffers them on the internet are going to say Skeng around? That's a brilliant question. I don't know. Don't go think me know. Them sniffers, they all them do. I just sniff on fucking people, jockstrap. You know what I mean? For try to get certain type of recognition or maybe some revenue to them channel. You see what I say? But here what I say right about now. You see, if clashing thing I go on nation people, And it now go turn out in a physical violence or just lyrical war. My upfeet. You see, if a violent thing you not deal with, me against that 100%. No gimmicks business not dead about it, cause right now all them a fight dancehall, the dancehall too nice right about now. The thing hype up right now, the thing a loud explosion. And right now, just by these brothers are going on the internet, you know, it going make things sell off first class. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. Yo, Skeng, you know. Have, you know, a commanding delivery, you know, where the Emma deliver music, you know. You see the local youth when they Jahshii, Popcorn, Pitney, the youth were birth unruly clash. You see that local youth there? You see on the bands, it's like a playground. You don't have no young artist in a dancehall can manage the bands like how him deal with it. So me tell you something. It won't be easy if that type of clash thing there go on. I am not saying that is the case, but to where the thing are boil up right now, it look like explosion can go on anytime. Respect my brother. It look like explosion can go on anytime right about nation people. So right now, I smell gunpowder in the air. Yes, what I say, it look like a man does empty care. One thing. Nation people, one thing. How this thing are set up to no. How it look to no. Eh? How it look to no. Right now, you know, nation people. You have some sniffers, you know, out on the internet, you know. When I see I act like them want to violate Jahshii, and I say, a Skeng boss Jahshii, and him not loyal, and them shit there. Yo, me tell you something. You cut the fucking monarchy out, you know. You ain't nothing but a bunch of show pony, you know. That's all you do on the blood clot internet. Come with a look at ridiculous blood clot argument. We're all Skeng for boss Jahshii. After the two of them almost bust the same time. Maybe a couple weeks apart or a month apart, the furthest. Eh? They were friends and they were rolling together. Yes, so I say, that was the thing. Because Jahshii said, if I know First Nation and Rat Team say, and we see both of them in each other's videos, included even the producer guy who sent Jahshii up underneath his mother. So here we go on right about no. These look at jackstrap sniffers on the internet appear to look at either narrative of the youth. Yes, so I say, yo, me tell you something, no cut on no fuck out and stop on a lollipop thing. Because these things happen in a music over the years. Yes, so I say, when man and man link and them pull apart, my brother. Yes, so I say, I don't know new this in a dancehall. So stop act like this is a crime to crime the youth commit. Because you not talk the truth, we don't know why the two man them thing looks so shaky right now, you know. Because it was a firm link, you know. Yes, what I say? And the link look like it broke off. Me don't know what go on. But if enough people for talk the truth, I see this thing here, you know, a festive up on the internet and I hear certain talk go around, all because Jahshii and the unruly boss Popcorn a link. I don't know what kind of issue or what kind of vibes are going. But anyway, you see, if it's a lyrical clash, a sting, I'm up for it. It a go be explosive. No joke shit not dead about it. You see, if a physical war you not deal with, you know me not support that. You see what I say? Yeah, I'm going to sound the big thing them for that because no joke shit not dead about it. But anyway, Gaza Nation, we love the show where Pelpa time show. I think I don't have Moby, where Jahshii, Chronicler, Popcorn, Munga Honorable, and etc. etc. The man them shell it way, hotter than we held there. So Sting a forward it now, and it look like a war zone a go on. Where you say 10 star? And no fling stone, and no lassa swing, and no kung fu, and my glocka sing. Shot a strike like lightning. Me use the jungle scare and snipe him. What? Are the general, you know? The 10 star one. I represent nation people. 10 star. General. Watch.